Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name's Max Lorenzo and welcome to the Honest FBA community. Now whether you have some experience under your belt or you're just hearing about FBA now, it doesn't matter. The goal for this channel is to help you build and maintain a profitable Amazon FBA business from the comfort of your own home, regardless of your age, country, or experience level. I'm super excited to get started with this channel, guys, and to get to know you all. I'll start with myself. I'm a 30-year-old graphics and branding expert, so I have experience sourcing great products as well as making them stand out amongst the competition, which is super important if you want to be a successful Amazon FBA seller. I'm a private label Amazon seller myself, and I have friends and mentors who are 6, even 7-figure sellers. And I've been fortunate to help a number of you guys start on your FBA journey as well on forums, Facebook, and Instagram. And the number one question that I get is in regard to product research, which is huge. And I'll actually be going over product research in my next video. So be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. Be sure to join the Facebook group as well. I'll be posting a link in the description below. I'll be highly active over there and would be happy to answer any questions that you have. Now I'll be posting 2 videos per week, and the content will actually be based on what you guys want to see. So I highly encourage you to engage and post down below, introduce yourself, let everyone know what your goals are, why you're interested in FBA, and what questions you might have. I'll be reading each and every one of your comments, and there are no dumb questions, so ask away. Alongside your questions, we'll be going over product research, as I mentioned, as well as contacting suppliers and freight forwarders, obtaining barcodes, running powerful PPC campaigns, ranking your product, getting reviews, and much, much more. That's really just the tip of the iceberg, guys. So that's it, guys, for the first video. I just wanted to keep it short and introduce the channel. I'm super excited to get started, and I'm glad that you're here. Welcome to the Honest FBA community. Until next time, I'm Max Lorenzo, and I'll see you in the next video.